Welcome to the Institute of International Recognized Qualification, IIRQ. My name is Professor Gossett Oliver, one of the directors of the Institute. We welcome you to register with us. We are a technical and vocational tertiary college. We offer a number of technical and vocational qualifications that are akin to industrial standards.
My name is Ruth Smart and I'm the Academic Coordinator here at IIRQ, your premium technical career college choice. I'm here to make the process smooth for you during your duration here at IIRQ. I'm looking forward to seeing you.
Our teaching staff are highly qualified with a lot of industrial experience. Our learners are trained to global standards and certified accordingly. We invite you to upskill yourself and register in one of our many technical and vocational courses that we offer. Be skilled and earn what you're worth.